Ever feel like your smart home is a digital Tower of Babel? Devices speaking different languages, locked in their own walled gardens? You bought into the dream of a seamless smart home, but the reality is a chaotic mess of apps and incompatibilities. Welcome, smart home hopefuls. If you've ever wished your favorite gadgets from different brands could finally play nice, you've landed in the right place. Today, we're unlocking the secret to true smart home harmony using the revolutionary power of Matter and the incredible versatility of HomeBridge. Prepare to witness the unification you've been waiting for. Trust me, the transformation you're about to see will change how you think about your smart home forever. Let's face it, the smart home landscape has been a bit of a Wild West. Different manufacturers, different communication protocols, different ecosystems, it's enough to make your head spin. This fragmentation leads to frustrating experiences, needing multiple apps to control different devices, inability to create cohesive automations, and limiting your choices when buying new tech. This isn't just an inconvenience, it limits the true potential of your connected living space. The promise of a truly intelligent, seamless home remains out of reach. That's where our two heroes, Matter and HomeBridge, ride in to save the day. First, let's talk about Matter. This isn't just another device, it's an open-source, unified connectivity standard that promises seamless interoperability across virtually all smart home ecosystems. Think of it as a universal translator for your smart devices. Matter aims to solve the core fragmentation problem by providing a common language and set of rules for devices to communicate, regardless of the manufacturer or the platform you prefer. This means a Matter-certified smart bulb from brand A should, in theory, work effortlessly with your Amazon Echo, your Apple HomePod, or your Google Nest Hub. It supports multiple underlying network protocols like Wi-Fi, Thread, and Ethernet, making it incredibly versatile and future-proof. But what about those fantastic existing smart home devices that aren't Matter certified yet, or may never be? That's where HomeBridge steps in. HomeBridge is an incredibly powerful open-source software that acts as a flexible bridge, allowing you to integrate devices that don't natively support a particular ecosystem, like Apple HomeKit, into it. Think of HomeBridge as a skilled diplomat, fluent in many smart home languages. It leverages plugins developed by a passionate community to translate the communication of countless legacy and niche devices, making them appear and function as if they were natively supported by your chosen platform. This opens up a world of possibilities for integrating devices you already own or those that may not yet adopt Matter. The true magic happens when you understand how to leverage both Matter and HomeBridge. Matter handles the new generation of unified devices, while HomeBridge brings your existing, non-Matter devices into the fold. This creates a truly comprehensive and conflict-free smart home experience. For example, you might buy new Matter-certified lights and plugs that integrate instantly. But for that specialized smart fan or an older smart blind, HomeBridge steps in to connect them to your central platform. This allows for unified control, consolidated automations, and a single app experience for all your smart devices. Building a truly resilient and smoothly growing smart home means thinking strategically about integration from day one. Here's how you can design your own future-proof system that avoids conflicts. 1. Embrace Matter as your foundation. For all new smart device purchases, prioritize Matter-certified products. This ensures the widest native compatibility and simplifies future expansion. 2. Leverage HomeBridge for legacy and niche devices. Don't discard your favorite non-Matter devices. Explore the vast, active library of HomeBridge plugins to bring them into your preferred ecosystem. This is your key to maximizing existing investments. 3. Choose a primary ecosystem strategically. Even with Matter, having a central control platform, like Apple Home, Amazon Alexa, or Google Home, is beneficial. Understand its strengths and how Matter and HomeBridge will integrate with it. 4. Stay updated and engaged. Regularly update the firmware of your Matter devices and, crucially, keep your HomeBridge server and its plugins updated. The community behind HomeBridge is always improving. 5. Document your setup. Keep a simple record of your devices, their integration method, either native, Matter or HomeBridge, and any specific configurations. This will save you headaches down the line. By combining Matter's promise of native universality with HomeBridge's bridging prowess, you gain unparalleled control and flexibility. The era of fragmented smart homes is ending, and a truly unified, scalable future is here. You now have the knowledge to break free from the limitations of walled gardens and create a truly unified and scalable smart home experience. No more app juggling, no more compatibility headaches. The future of smart living is open and interoperable. If you want to gain more knowledge about all the smart home protocols, then I invite you to check this video that appears on the screen. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.